It's the last day of the work week, so let's take a closer look at the forecast for this Friday. Our super MicroCast indicates a cloudy start to the day along the west coast and adjacent interior, while lots of sunshine is likely over the rest of the Western Cape and the western parts of the Eastern Cape. It will be partly cloudy in the east, where thunderstorms will cause rain today, especially in the Free State and the Southern Highveld, but the main rainmaker is expected early on Saturday morning in the form of a cold front approaching the Western Cape. We're expecting thunderstorms over the eastern parts of South Africa today. It's also going to be very windy over the western and central interior ahead of the approaching cold front, with rain mainly this evening. Let's take a look at the warning issued by the South African Weather Service. Gale force northwesterly winds are expected between Cape Point and Cape Agulhas, with average wind speeds exceeding 65 km per hour. Scattered thunderstorms are likely today in the eastern Free State, with isolated thunder showers in Gauteng. Some of these storms can also drift towards the east coast. There's a 40% chance of rain in Cape Town and the adjacent interior today, and that's mainly this afternoon and evening. Daytime temperatures will be low in the west today, only 15 degrees in Sutherland, Springbok and Cape Town, 19 in Vredendal. Mild conditions in most of the Eastern Cape, 23 degrees in Bishu, 26 in Graafrenet, and it's going to be a lovely warm day in the north with a high of 28 in Johannesburg and Polokwane. Let's take a look at the coastal forecast. Ahead of the cold front, we're expecting northwesterly winds along the southern parts of the west coast. Average wind speeds of 35 km per hour in Langebaan, with an open ocean swell of only a meter. Along the southwest coast, take note, we have the warning for gale force winds between Cape Point and Cape Agulhas, 50 km per hour average wind speeds in Hermanus, while it's going to be extremely breezy today over the southern parts of False Bay. Along the south coast, we're not expecting a very windy afternoon. Southwesterly winds up to 25 km per hour in Jeffreys Bay and Port Elizabeth, with an open ocean swell of 1.5 meters. Along the east coast this afternoon, northeasterly winds become moderate in Richards Bay, wind speeds up to 20 km per hour, with an open ocean swell of 1.5 meters.
News that moves. eNCA.com.